The Honor MagicPad 4 is officially stepping into 2026 with some serious flagship energy. And honestly, this might be one of the most interesting Android tablets we've seen at this price point. First, let's talk design. From the image, you can see that ultra-clean, minimalist look. Flat edges, super slim profile, and a subtle camera module at the back. And get this, the tablet is just 4.8 millimeters thin and weighs 450 grams. That is insanely thin for a tablet packing this much power. It looks premium, feels premium, and with stylus support included, it's clearly built for productivity and creatives. Now the display. This is where things get crazy. You're getting a 12.3-inch OLED panel with 165Hz refresh rate, 5280Hz PWM dimming, and up to 2400 nits peak brightness. That's not just good, that's elite-tier tablet display territory. Whether you're gaming, watching HDR content, or editing, this screen is built to impress. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, 3nm with Oryon cores clocked up to 3.8 GHz and paired with the Adreno 829 GPU. That means this tablet isn't just for streaming, but also capable of high-performance multitasking, heavy gaming, video editing, and serious productivity. You get 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage, or 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage. Unfortunately, there's no micro SD card, but honestly, with these storage options, most people won't complain. Cameras are decent for a tablet. There's a 13 megapixel at the back with 4K recording and a 9 megapixel selfie camera that also shoots 4K. Perfect for video calls and content creators who want flexibility. Audio is another big highlight. It packs 8 stereo speakers and it's IMAX Enhanced. That means this thing is built for immersive media consumption. Watching movies on this is going to be a serious experience. Connectivity is future-ready too. It features Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0 with aptX HD and adaptive, USB-C 3.2 with DisplayPort support. No cellular option though, it's Wi-Fi only, so keep that in mind. Additionally, the tablet packs a large 10,100 mAh silicon-carbon battery with 66-watt fast charging and even 5-watt reverse wired charging. That should comfortably handle long productivity or gaming sessions. Now, let's talk price. The expected, according to legit sources, is said to be around $450. For a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 tablet with OLED, 165Hz, 8 speakers, ultra-thin body, and 16 GB RAM option, that pricing is aggressive, very aggressive. If Honor gets optimization right with macOS 10 on Android 16, this could easily become one of the best Android tablets of 2026 in terms of value. So, these are the features and price of the Honor MagicPad 4. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.